For me, the inclusion of Alghero is amazing. Sassari is fantastic. There's a wonderful university feeling in Sassari and a really good population. But there's something about Alghero and certainly this arena that gives a much broader feel to the festival for me. And in terms of the programming, I've really enjoyed every aspect of it. So it's difficult to say which is ultimately better, because I think what you do is you are inclusive of many different parts of the northwest of Sardinia, which is a wonderful thing. But I think Alghero is a wonderful addition to your festival. From my point of view, the connection between Sardinia and the Fastnet Film Festival in Southwest Ireland came about, I think, because of the whole notion of we being connected to an island, and what it is that mentality brings to a small festival attempting to actually open itself within the digital arts. And that was certainly something that was important to us when we were setting up in Schull in West Cork. It was at a time when there was great economic crash in Ireland, and when digital media was becoming a greater possibility, particularly around the edges, the margins of the island of Ireland. So that instead of needing to rely on film and all of the requirements that 35mm projection needs, Schull did not have a cinema.